So quickly I'll give here because for you also it is important. So first one is a length method. So length method fetches the number of characters in a given string. So the return type is an integer return type. So how can you call return type method a data type of the method? Variable name equal to object reference dot return type method. So this method returns an integer and variable name equal to string object. This is the string object dot length method. So now S contains 4 characters that will store here. So S characters count is, and you print that local variable. This is count is a local variable. I am printing that. Second method, char at method int index. So fetches the character at a given index. Return type is char. Return type is char. So again data type. So variable name equal to object reference dot return type method. So the data type of this method is returning char data type and variable name equal to string object dot char of 2. That means so in this string second character second index we have v character. So v will be stored in the C1 that you can print here. So to-char array method. So to-char array method, it will convert the string into character array. The return type of this method is character array. So again, data type of this method is a character array. So array name equal to string object dot to-char array. So your array will become like this. So every character in the string will be one independent element in the array. So that's the how you can convert the string into character array. Even you can print the character array using arrays dot to string method pass the character array. And even you can print using for each loop also. Print array using for each loop. Print array using for each loop. Then so data type of this array is char. So char C:\ch. So system.out.print C, you print the C. Next method is concat method. Concat string str. So joins given two strings as a one combined string and return type is a string. So data type, so variable name equal to object reference dot return type non-static method. So string s1 equal to s dot concat selenium. S dot concat selenium. System.out.println s1 value is, so you give s1. See both it will compare concat. Concat means joins. S value is Java and Selenium. So Java Selenium output you will get that will store in the string s1. That's a concat method. Concat means both joins and gives a new string to you. So I told you, right, same string won't be modified, but you will get a new string. That means it will create a new memory. It will create the new memory. So that's the this. So concat method. So to uppercase method, next method. Convert the given string into uppercase letter format. Return type is again string only. String s2 equal to s1 dot to uppercase method. Converts all of them into uppercase and gives a new string. So converted s1, this s1 is Java Selenium into uppercase. Now s2 value is, you print that s2 value. Then to lowercase method converts the given string into lowercase format. So the return type again string. So that's why the string s3 equal to s2 dot s2 is in uppercase. So it will convert the uppercase into lowercase by using to lowercase method. So that I'm printing. So system.out.println converted s2 value I'm printing. So that I didn't put in double quotes. I'm joining. See, this is the joining operator, right? Plus is a joining operator. This string you are joining with s2. S2 you are joining with this value. And this value you are joining with again S3 with the plus operator. So that's a two lowercase method. It will convert them into lowercase. Is empty method. It checks given string is empty or not. Return type is a boolean. That's why boolean b equal to s dot is empty. So now s is empty or it has a characters. It has a no value. What you will get here? True or false you will store here. It will store true or false. What is there and yes? What is the value in the S?
Java, sir.
Java.
Is it empty? Is it empty now?
No, sir.
Then what value it will store here? True or false?
One is false.
False, sir.
False. Because it's not empty, right? If it is
It's,
empty, returns true. If it is not empty, returns false. So false will be there. So you will get a false here. Contains string str. So checks a given string is present in the main string or not. If it is available, this string is present in the main string, returns true. If this string is not there, returns false. Now see, boolean b1 equal to s1 dot contains selenium. So s1 value, what is the s1 value? Java selenium. So in Java selenium keyword is present or not?
Present, sir.
So then you will get a true or false.
It's true.
So B1 will contain true only. Because it returns, this method will return true because selenium keyword is present in the S1. That's why so it returns true. See next. Boolean B2 equal to S1 dot contains WebDriver. So in Java Selenium, this is the S1 value, Java Selenium. Java Selenium, do you have a WebDriver keyword?
no, sir.
So then what is the output you will get in the B2?
False.
False. So this is the how contains method will check whether given keyword is present here in this string or not. If it is there, returns true. If it is not there, returns false. Next, equals method equals object obj. So what this equals method will do is compares two string content. So two strings you have to check both strings characters are same or not, content is same or not. If both are same, equals method will return true. If both are not same, one is upper and one is lowercase also, again it will return false. So make sure so you understand that concept. If both are same or not, you need to check that. So that's the equals method, how it will check. So this method is already available in the objective class. This method is available already in the objective class. So which object class method is overridden in string class? So which object class method is overridden in the string class? Equals method.
Equal.
So which object class method is overridden in string class? Equals method. So the overridden means object is the superclass, right? For all the Java classes. Now string is the child. Now the child class, you are overriding that. What you are overriding? Child class equals method, that is string class equals method. What it will do is it will compare only strings. But object class equals method will compare any objects. That's the difference between equals method in the object class, in the string class. So this is another interview question, this one. Okay, equals method, let's compare. So Boolean B3 equal to, because this also returns a Boolean value. That's why data type of the method, what it is returning, B3 equal to S1 dot equals S2. So S1 is a Java Selenium. S2 also Java Selenium, but in uppercase. S2 value is in uppercase Java Selenium. Now, can you tell me, this is the lowercase Java Selenium, this is the uppercase Java Selenium. So what is the output you will get?
False.
False. Because even though you have a Java Selenium, this is a lowercase and S2 is uppercase, not same. That's why you will get a false here. There is one more method, equals ignore case string object. So what this method will do, it again compares two string content and ignore the cases. Upper or lower, it doesn't bother about that. Same character is there or not, it will check both the strings in the same order. So now you write Boolean B4 equal to S1 dot equals ignore case S2. Now what you will get, a true or false you will get here. See, meaning itself is there. Ignore the cases in S2 and S1. Whatever the character is there, same character must be there here also, and ignore the cases. If you uppercase also, don't worry. But same character or not, check it.
It's false. So sorry, sir. True.
True, sir.
True. True, right? This S1
yes.
is a lower case, but S2 is uppercase, but it will ignore the cases.
On checking the characters.
And the same character or not, it will check. So that's why this equals, if anywhere, if you want, you don't want to consider upper or lower case, you can use equals ignore case method. Okay, so that's the difference between equals and equals ignore case methods. See, Boolean B5 equal to S1 dot equals S3. S1 is all lowercase Java Selenium. S3 is all lowercase Java Selenium. So now you will get what is the output you will get?
True, sir.
True. Because both are same. That's why you'll get a true. Next starts with. So it will check whether your string is starting with this string or not. Checks main string is starting with this given string or not. So if it is starting with this given string, then that will return true. If main string is not starting with the given string, then that will give a false. See now here, Boolean basics equal to S1 dot starts with the Java. So what is the S1 value? S1 value is Java Selenium. So Java Selenium is starting with Java or not?
Yes, sir.
So you will return true. Same Boolean B7, S1 starts with the Selenium. So is this true or false?
False.
False. So ends with. So check the main string is ending with the given string or not. If it is ending with a given string, then returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. That's a ends with method. So Boolean B8 equal to S1 dot ends with selenium. Is it true or false?
True, sir.
True, because it's ending with the Java selenium only.
Selenium. Yes, sir.
That's why it returns true. Okay. Next. See, S1 dot ends with Java. Is it true or false?
False.
False.
False. Because it's ending with selenium, not with Java.
Selenium.
So that's why it returns false. Next, very important one, split method. So this is a very important split method. We used it already in the Selenium program, Google search program.
Yes, sir.
Did you remember? So
Yes, sir.
split method splits the given string based on the given delimiter. Returns the, what is the return type of this split method? String array. It returns the string array. So return type of this method is string array. That's a return type of split method. So what are the delimiters? The delimiters are either it can be a space, it can be a comma, it can be a colon, it can be question mark, it can be backward slash or forward slash, anything. So you decide, okay, how you want to split your string, how many parts you want to do. Make sure that the delimiter should be in between all the words. Wherever the delimiter, the given delimiter is there, that string only will split, not other strings, if the delimiter is not there. Okay, so observe this. String S4 equal to about this one. How many? See, this the entire thing is one string, but there are many words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words. But every word between, what is the delimiter common here? What is the delimiter here? In every word between, every word after,
Space.
space. Space is there. Why comma? Somebody about to say comma. This is the one word, ma. This is not a multiple words. Word means what? How you can separate the words?
Space.
Either space or some one word of a few collection of characters after something, space will be there mostly. That's how you will differentiate the words. So this is all one word only, then space. And this all one word only, then space. And this all one word only, then space. This all one word only after spaces. This is how you can differentiate the words. Now here is the common delimiter here is space. So I'm calling an S4 on the S4 object. This is a string literal object, right? Am I right or not? String literal object. Will you agree or not?
Yes.
String literal. So on the string literal object, I'm calling split method. So now in this S4, wherever space is there, that space before whatever you word is, that word will go and store in this str variable. So that's how first word is. So this word, it will come and store in the first place. And this will come and store in the second place. And this will come and store in the third place. And this will come and store in the fourth place. And this will come and store in the fifth place. So this is how it will store your string array. Okay. String S5 equal to str of 1. What is str of 1 here? How we can access? I want this one. I want this one from this array. How we can access?
By giving index value.
Index will.
Array name of index.
Array name
For
of
what do you have to give index?
Array name of
What you have
index.
to give index? Array name, right?
Yes, sir.
Array name of index. If you give, it will So then you will get only this one value. Now, so you will get this only this value. So this is how you can get a desired word from the string. You have to use a split method. So there is a substring method. What is substring first? Portion of string is called substring. A portion of string is called substring. So substring into begin index, substring into begin index, into end index. So these are the overloaded methods or not? Can you see this? Overloaded methods are not. These two methods are in which class? String class. Now first method, same method or not? Method name is same or not?
Yes, sir.
So only parameters are changing. Now what this method will do is fetches the string from begin index to till the end. All the wherever you are giving from that place to till the end. How many characters are there? All will fetch and stores in the string or string object. You'll get a string type object. The data type of this method is string type. And method, what it will do is substring of into begin the in between the range. So it fetches the all the characters from begin index to till end index, returns a string. But here you need to remember one point. Begin index is inclusive. Inclusive means what? Includes that character. Begin index place. But end index is exclusive. End index place, it excludes the character. So end index place, it excludes the character. So S1 equal to Java Selenium. So in Java Selenium, see how many so total 12 characters are there. So now you apply. So I want, suppose I want Selenium from this. How can you get from this Selenium word? How can you get Selenium word from that? So you need to use substring of into begin index method you have to use. So string S6 equal to S1 dot substring of. So S1, this is the S1 value, Java Selenium. So 4, index 4 means 0, 1, 2, 3. So 4. From what I told you, substring of begin index, only one index if you give from 4th place to till the end. All the characters it will fetch. From 4th place, 4th index, what is the character is there?
3.
Yes. Fourth index.
V says.
Yes, sir.
4th index, what is the character is there?
Yes, sir.
Oh my God. Where are you seeing?
Sir, yes, sir. It is the fourth
Yes,
index
sorry,
is
sir.
S.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes is there. So yes, after how many characters there are, all till end, all the characters you will get. Now, yes, inclusive. So yes, after this is all the characters, Selenium. Now you got Selenium right from S1. So this is how to get with the substring. So substring means what I told you. A portion of string is called substring. So that's why you're getting a Selenium will store here. So fetching Selenium from S1 using substring int index. So you're getting that. Now, I want these 3 letters. How can you get it? LEN letters I want. LN is one substring. So why I'm calling substring? A portion of string, right? Which we are calling a substring. How you can get that substring?
Beginning and ending index, sir.
What is the beginning index of?
Beginning is L.
What is the L index?
End is I, sir.
I, yeah.
6.
LEN
6.
is N.
6 index.
6. The index numbers only you have to
Okay,
give.
number. Okay, sir. 6, sir. 6.
6. What is the N index?
N index is 8, sir.
But you should not give weight. Weight means what I told you. End index
End
is
index is
Exclusive.
exclusive means what? If you give 8, 8th place, what character is there you won't get. Then you have to give always which character you want, that character next index you have to.
Yes. Okay.
What is the next index of N?
Is I, sir.
I, yeah. Next index.
Sorry, 9, sir.
9
9,
become
9.
9.
Sorry. Yeah.
So
Number
9
9.
index. So 9 index. We are.
9.
So here the character 9th index is I is there, but I
Yes,
will
sir.
be excludes. That's why I before only it will fetch. So that's the substring of between 6 and 9 you will get the characters. 6 is inclusive, 9th is excludes the character. So that's this substring methods. Next, replace method. Replace old character or old string with a new character or new string. That's a replace method. Replaces the old character or a string with a new character or a string, returns a new string to you. So again, return type method. All I told you, every method is a return type method. String S8 equal to S1 dot replace a character I am replacing with the @ symbol. So in the Java Selenium, where A is there? Here and here. So that replace with the @ symbol. That's a replace. Replacing this with this. This is the replacement for A. That's a replace method. So string S9 S1 dot replace Java with Ruby. So in this Java is there, right? Java will replace with what word? Ruby word. Java plus Ruby word you will get, but new string it will create. Not same string you are modifying. That's what the string class I told you. String class you cannot modify. If you try to modify, what will happen now? New memory will create. That's what happening. New string you will get. Here you are getting a new string that is storing in the S9 new variable. So see, date object D equal to new date. I'm printing the date. So string S10 equal to D dot toString. ToString method, what it will do? It will convert the object into string format. So using ToString method you can do. So how can you convert the date object into string format? Using ToString method. You have to use a ToString method. Object dot ToString method. So now it converted all the date object into string format. Dot replace colon you are replacing with hyphen and space you are replacing with hyphen. So now you are storing the output in the S10 new string. So that's the final date string is, you will get that. So replace all method. Next, replace all method. So old string you can replace with a new string. So this I explained in the WebDriver also. You remember the capture a screenshot time I have used all these things. Replaces all the occurrences of string, returns a new string. See now, S5. What is S5? Here. What is S5? This one. See every place, comma, comma, comma is there. So now I want to replace commas without any string. So that's empty. Comma, I'm replacing in the S5 with the empty string. That means no space, nothing. That is the replace all. Replaces the occurrence of all occurrences of this comma in this string, and you will get a new string that will be stored in S11. Okay. So all commas are replaced in S5 with the replace all method S11. Okay. So this is all the methods, and tomorrow we'll see rest of the methods, and I'll stop here. Just run this and you can see the output, and we can close here. See, number of characters 4, second index V we got with the caret method, and character array. So see all characters. So in the string array it was all giant, but it is printed with the for each loop, and you joined with the concat method. So that's why Java Selenium. You convert the Java Selenium to uppercase. That's why all capital letter, and you are converting capital Java Selenium to lowercase using two lowercase method. So that's why you got S3 Java Selenium. Java is not empty. That's why false you are getting. Java Selenium contains Selenium keyword. That's why you are getting true. And Java Selenium contains WebDriver keyword. So it is false. That's why you are getting printed false. Comparing Java Selenium with the capital Java Selenium using equals method, false. Comparing Java Selenium with the capital Java Selenium using equals ignore case method, that's why returning true. So comparing Java Selenium with the Java Selenium using equals method, that is true. So checking Java Selenium starts with the Java keyword using starts with method, true. So all this you see you're getting very, very nicely. S5 value is this one, and fetching Selenium from Java Selenium using substring method. So that's the word. So getting only len keyword using start index and end index. So by giving index numbers. So see only index numbers you have to give. So you are replacing S8 value after replace. See wherever A is there, that is replaced with the @ symbol. See the date is printing like this, but you are joining with the hyphen. That replace method we used. Replace method. So this you replaced with hyphen. So this colon you replaced with hyphen. That's why all are joined hyphen. All commas are replaced. So then now commas are there, but replacing all the commas here. Okay, so this is the how you can see. Tomorrow I'll show you rest of the methods. Please go through these methods. So very, very important, all these methods.